Welcome. Standard 12. Subject Mathematics. Lesson Line and Plane. Session 4. Hello students. Today's session we continue lesson line and plane with the concept distance of a point from a particular point. Let us see theoretical part. Distance of a point from a line. Theorem 6.5. Statement of theorem. The distance of a point P of alpha bar from the line R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda times B bar is under root modulus alpha bar minus A bar bracket square minus alpha bar minus A bar dot product with B bar divided by magnitude of B bar whole bracket square. This is formula for finding the distance. First, we prove this formula. Let us see proof of this theorem. First part, geometrically, line given as a L. To find out distance of a point P from the line. Point P of alpha bar is given any point in the plane. Line, it passes to the point A of A bar and parallel to the B bar, whose equation is R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda times B bar. Target is to find out distance of this point P from line. So, to find out distance of point P from the line, that is length of PM. To get this perpendicular distance, projection is taken of a vector AP bar along the line L. The line L, whose equation R bar equals to A bar plus lambda times B bar. It passes through point A of A bar. Line passes through A of A bar. Let M be the foot of the perpendicular drawn from point P on this line. Then AM, this distance, that is the modulus of vector AM bar. Modulus of vector AM bar. AM bar obtained by the projection of vector AP bar on this line. So it is expressed as vector projection of AP bar on B bar in terms of dot product, that is length of AM is equal to AP bar dot with vector B bar divided by magnitude of B bar. Projection formula. Length of AM obtained by projection of AP on this vector B bar, parallel vector. Position vector for the AP bar, it can be expressed as, check, AP bar, alpha bar minus A bar. So value replace for AP bar, alpha bar minus A bar dot with B bar divided by magnitude of B bar. Next step, observe triangle AMP. It is an right angle triangle. We have to find out length of PM, that is perpendicular distance. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem to get length of PM. So PM square is equal to AP square minus AM square using Pythagoras theorem. So for this right angle triangle AMP, PM square is equal to AP square minus AM square. Length of AP, that is obtained from the vector alpha bar minus A bar by taking its magnitude, and length of AM, that is obtained using projection formula. So AP bar replaced by alpha bar minus A bar magnitude square, and AM distance, that is obtain modulus value, that is alpha bar minus A bar dot B bar upon magnitude of B bar bracket square. This is PM square is obtained. We have to find out length of PM, taking square root on both sides. Hence, length of PM is obtained under root of alpha bar minus A bar magnitude square minus bracket alpha bar minus A bar dot with B bar upon magnitude of B bar whole bracket square. This is the formula for length of perpendicular from point P of alpha bar on line L. So to get distance of that point, you will be provided either coordinates of point P, otherwise position vector of point P. And equation for line may be given in vector form, otherwise in Cartesian form. Both methods we can find out distance of that particular point from the line. Hence, the distance of a point P of alpha bar from the line R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda times B bar is obtained by using this formula. Check. This is the statement given. Now continue with problem. Let us see example first. Question given here. Find the length of perpendicular from the point. Point has coordinates 3, 2, 1 to the line R bar is equal to 7i plus 7j plus 6k plus lambda times minus 2i plus 2j plus 3k. Equation of line is given in vector form. So we are using formula which we have already proved in the previous slide. Solution for this problem. Check diagrammatically. Given point P of 3, 2, 1 position vector, you can write 3i plus 2j plus k cap. That is alpha bar vector is obtained. And line equation is given as R bar is equal to, check, this is given in question. So to find out length of perpendicular from this point towards the line, let us see first A of A bar, that point is 7i plus 7j plus 6k as a vector. And next parallel vector B bar, value is minus 2i plus 2j plus 3k. Parallel vector. Now perpendicular is drawn to the point P on this line. Put of perpendicular as a point M. To find out length of PM, let us see. Answer. The length of perpendicular for the point, it is same as distance of point P from the given line, that is length of perpendicular. So we already proved theorem, distance of a point P of alpha bar on the line R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda times B bar. That formula is modulus square root of modulus alpha bar minus A bar magnitude square minus alpha bar minus A bar dot with B bar divided by magnitude of B bar whole bracket square. Let us check. Calculations are required. First, writing position vectors alpha bar and A bar. Then calculating corresponding difference. After getting difference, find out its magnitude. One part complete. Then difference of alpha bar minus A bar. Take its dot product with the vector B bar. Also, find out magnitude of vector B bar. And then substitute all these values inside the square root. You will get length of perpendicular. Let us see calculation one by one. First, Value here alpha bar position vector 3i plus 2j plus k. Vector A bar, that is 7i plus 7j plus 6k cap. Next, parallel vector B bar minus 2i plus 2j plus 3k. Then next vector required difference alpha bar minus A bar. So we take difference alpha bar minus A bar. Value substituted. Check difference. 3i minus 7i minus of 4i. Then 2j minus 7j minus 5j. K minus 6k minus 5k. After getting this alpha bar minus A bar, take its magnitude formula under root of minus 4 square plus minus 5 square plus minus 5 square. Then squares are obtained. Minus 4 square is 16, minus 5 square 25. So 16 plus 25 plus 25, and total of these numbers is obtained 66. So under root of 66, keep as it is. After this magnitude of alpha bar minus A bar, we require next value here, vector alpha bar minus A bar dot product with B bar vector. So alpha bar minus A bar, already taken this difference, dot product with vector B bar minus 2i plus 2j plus 3k. To find out dot product of two vectors, you already learned dot product concept. I dot I, j dot j, k dot k terms are getting 1 and remaining all are zeros. Hence, only I dot I terms product minus 4 into minus 2, that is plus 8. Minus 5 into 2, minus 10. Minus 5 into 3, minus 15. Check. Total is obtained minus of 17. Dot product value is calculated. After dot product, we require next value for magnitude of vector B bar. Let us find magnitude of vector B bar. B bar is here. Coefficients minus 2, then plus 2, and last is 3. Magnitude of B bar is equal to under root minus 2 square plus 2 square plus 3 square is obtained. Now, minus 2 square, 4 plus 4 and plus 9. Then total is 17. Root of 17 value for magnitude of B bar. All values are calculated. Substitute in the formula distance, that is required length of PM, perpendicular distance formula. In this formula, value substituting alpha bar minus A bar square, that is root of 66 square, you will get 66 minus this dot product answer minus 17, magnitude answer root 17 whole bracket square. Check. This value for 17 by root 17 means root 17. Its square is positive again. Value obtained 17. Finally, difference 66 minus 17. Difference is 49. And value for square root of 49, that is 7 unit. Hence, conclusion is distance of a given point P from the line is 7 unit. So in today's session, you have learned how to get distance of a particular point from the line using concept of projection. So we calculated distance of a point from line in the vector form. In next video, you will see distance of point from the line in the Cartesian form. So we stop here.
Like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos.